do you have to say about the arrangements made by the administration?
See, basically, this type of tragedy is most unfortunate. And the police yesterday, as far as my information goes, they said within a day we cannot arrange this. Because of the political pressure from the government, that has they were forced to accord the permission, which is most unfortunate. Second thing, in a way, the political leadership and bureaucrats also, most unfortunately, senior officers, they were more busy in taking selfies. I talked to many people in Bengaluru who are neutral, not to my party people, who are having the facts known, and I spoke to them. Around between 3:30 to 3:40, more so 3:35, 3 people are already dead. But in spite of that, celebration was going on in front of Vidhan Soudha. One more input I got from the police source itself. Because entire chief ministers, deputy chief minister and senior bureaucrats, they were all trying to take selfies with their family members, sons, grandsons. More police were engaged here. If you can see the footage, video clipping, gates were not properly opened. And my question to government is, see, whenever people want celebration, people will do it. But सरकार इसमें इतना लापरवाही किया है. They have not seen how the arrangements are done, how many people are gathering, and after that also, first they celebrated after this very, very, very tragic incident, first incident, they celebrated in front of Vidhan Soudha. All senior police officers were there. And another celebration was done. After another 8 people died, means total it became 11. After that, celebration was done in Chinnaswamy Kridangan, Chinnaswamy Stadium. तो क्या इतना भी सेंस नहीं है सरकार को ये बंद करा के श्रद्धांजलि करके, और अभी सब कर्नाटका स्टेट क्रिकेट बोर्ड के ऊपर डालने का कोशिश चल रहा है.
सर किसकी जवाबदारी है?
ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಧ್ವನಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.